Speaking about the language, um, I was speaking with my Indian friend, and I
Okay.
told him like we say to the pen, we say qalam. He said,
Okay.
yeah, we said qalam, the same
Kalam.
word.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. Kalam. I know.
the
Right.
same,
That's
right?
right. Yes. Oh my God. So you say kalam in Arabic as well?
In Arabic, yeah, qalam.
So that's what I'm saying. There are so many words that we have borrowed from Arabic because. Hi. Hello.
Hi,
Hi. Good afternoon.
hello, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. So we're meeting for the first time, right?
Yeah, this is my first time with you.
Yes. And it's also your seventh session with Clapingo.
Yes,
I can
yes,
see
that's
that.
right.
Right.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Okay. So,
What else
well,
you can see about my profile?
no, just that. So you're from Baghdad, or I don't know how is that pronounced? Did I
Yeah,
pronounce
you
it the right
pronounced
way?
it. Yeah, you pronounced it correctly. Yeah,
Okay. So yeah.
I live in Baghdad. I'm from Iraq.
Okay. Okay. So here it shows Baghdad. So Iraq. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can just see your name and which number of session this is.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, I'm Sonali. I'm from Kolkata, which is the capital city of the state of West Bengal in India.
Okay.
And
Yeah, Kolkata. Yeah, I have heard about Kolkata.
have you? How so?
Because I had a session with an Indian. I don't know. So Kolkata, it has like Indian and Bengali people.
Right, right, right. So
It's
the
a mixture, right?
uh wait, Indian and Bengali, did you say?
Okay, Kolkata located in India, right?
Right, right, right.
Yeah, but it has some Bengalis live there in Kolkata.
So right, so Bengal. So the state I am from, Kolkata,
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
capital city of the state of West Bengal. So here, the dominant people are Bengalis.
Uh-huh,
The
right.
language
There,
spoken here is Bengali.
Bengali. Let me open the
Yeah,
curtains because I have a
yeah, yeah,
power outage. Yeah,
yeah. I can see that. Okay. I
yeah,
think you might be getting confused because even people from Bangladesh speak Bengali, right?
yeah. People, yeah, they speak
Like they
Bengali.
are
Yeah.
also called Bengalis. Exactly.
So
Right.
is it like I don't know, like the same people there
Yeah.
in
So
Bangladesh and in Calcutta. It's
okay. So
it's really confusing for me.
yeah. So this is interesting. So historically, before the partition of India, and like I'm
Yeah,
talking way back. So
yeah,
that
yeah.
time, all of this was one whole province. So there was the partition of Bengal before the
Hmm.
partition of India. So it divided into West Bengal and East Bengal.
Yeah.
So then East Bengal went on to become East Pakistan. So let's not get into that. I'll just I'll totally confuse you. I can understand that. So yeah, basically it was East Bengal, and even till this day, our state is called West Bengal. So even though there's no East Bengal in India, but yeah, it's basically a whole of Bengal, you can say. But West Bengal is part of India, and East Bengal is basically Bangladesh.
So what is the spoken language there in
So the language
Calcutta?
is Bengali, but there are many
Bengali.
different dialects of the language
Yeah.
of Bengali. Okay, so even within Bangladesh or even within West Bengal, there are many different dialects that are spoken.
Oh, but if you speak like Hindi, you will survive there.
Yes, yes, yes. Even though there are different dialects of Bengali, you can understand each other. It's not that difficult. You might struggle with some words, but you would still be able to understand. You can have a conversation, definitely.
Even if you are like a Bengali, but get into like India and
Hmm.
trying to speak Indian. Is it easy for you? You have the
So
same alphabet, same
yeah,
dialect.
so see that is why I call myself Bengali because I'm from this state,
Okay.
from this
It,
part of India. But like whenever some people from outside of India say Bengali, they mean people from Bangladesh, right?
Bangladesh,
So
yeah.
exactly. So like you meant it that way, so I got a little confused. So yeah,
Yeah.
I think they would understand even people from Bangladesh if they come to India. So yeah, they would be able to understand, I guess. And they
Hmm.
yeah, yeah, I guess. I mean maybe somebody from Bangladesh will be able to answer that better because I do know even Hindi, right? So I don't have any problems understanding. So I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
Bengali as well as Hindi, right?
It's interesting, yeah.
Yeah. So how many? So what are the languages that you speak?
I speak Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah,
Okay,
this is
that's
my first
interesting.
language.
Right, right, and of course English, right?
Yeah, this is my second language. Yeah, English.
Okay, okay. So Arabic, I think even Arabic has some influence on Hindi. Actually, Urdu and hence Hindi, I guess. Isn't that correct?
you know, like a couple days ago,
Mm-hmm.
I looked up on Google, and I
Mm-hmm.
found out we use like Hindi numbers. Okay, and
Okay, that's
the Arabic,
interesting.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and the Arabic numbers, it's
Right.
English. It's English. When we say like one, two, three, four,
Mm-hmm.
oh sorry, one, two, three is Arabic. Okay,
Okay. I'm getting a
um,
little confused.
right, just like me. Okay, okay. Let's clarify this.
Yeah.
So yeah, so one, two, three in Arabic. It's from Hindi, India.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I learned like a couple days
How is it
ago.
said? So, like, it originated from India. Is that what you're saying?
Um, okay, let me tell you something about. So the number one, just like number one, and number
Okay.
two, it's just like this.
Okay. So, like
Okay.
in an inverted seven, kind of.
Um, seven? No, no. It's just like the letter C, but with a sharp curve.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Like that. Like an arrow.
yeah,
Kind of like an arrow. Is it?
yeah, just like arrow. Yeah, yeah, just like
Okay.
arrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know. Actually, this is uh, I, uh, I learned that these numbers
Mm-hmm.
generated from India. Like this is original numbers from India, and we
Okay.
use it. And the English numbers
Mm-hmm.
uh, nowadays we use the English numbers.
Right.
How do you write like for example number two in Hindi?
In Hindi, it's very similar to the number two in English. It's just like it's a little more rounded, you know. It's just like this. I'll maybe write it. I think this is how. See, the thing is, in India, we use the Roman. So it's called the Roman numerals, right? The normal numbers that we use. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we use that normally. So nobody hardly would anywhere find Hindi numbers. So that is why even I am out of practice. I think it's written like this, you know, like this
Huh.
here. So
So
that's
this is
just like
number
two.
two. No,
Yes,
yeah, yeah,
yes.
just like number two. Yeah.
Right, right, right. But then some other numbers would be different. So there's that. So like one, two is like that. I've forgotten many numbers. I really am out of practice right now.
For example, number three.
Okay, so three is I think like this. Again, I'm not sure, and just a second. I think this is three. Can you see it? This is three, and this is
This is
four.
this is four.
Yeah. So
Three
like
and
you don't.
four.
Yeah.
It's just
So
like eight.
it's eight, but you don't touch in the
Yeah, it's not a
top
closed
circle. Yeah, it's not. They don't
circle.
touch each other. Yeah, there's a gap
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yes. This is five.
Is this five? Just like
Yes.
why? Wow.
Yes. Yes. But
It's
again,
it's
I
a
mean,
Hindi numbers.
yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
But I mean, yeah, I think my if my Hindi teacher sees this, she might get angry because I might not be saying the correct thing. So please don't count on what I'm saying. Okay, I am totally out of
so
practice. You can
so
Google
what?
it.
Why you are not like no this
That's what I
these
said.
numbers
So
because
in India, we use the normal numbering system which is used in the West. So we use the normal 1, 2, 3. So even if
the English numbers, right?
yes, yes, yes,
Uh-huh.
yes. I isn't that called Roman numerals? I'm not sure. No, Roman numerals are the ones which have. Okay, I'm getting really confused right now. But the normal 1, 2, 3, 4 which we used around the world,
Yeah.
that is what
Yeah.
is used in India. So even if you go to a remote village in India where nobody speaks English, but the
Yeah.
numbers would generally be even then the numbers would be this, the 1, 2, 3, 4 that we use.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they really know about the numbers. One, two, three.
exactly.
It's
Right. So
it's
that is why I'm
it's
really out of
interesting.
practice.
Yeah, yeah, because you don't use it, guys. These numbers.
Yes. I mean, I used this last in school, I think, when I was in 10th grade, maybe for my exam or something. After that, I didn't need to use it ever.
So you mean like in the school they
Hmm.
don't teach you the numbers, the Hindi
They do teach
numbers?
us, but that's the thing. Only till 10th grade do we have the subject of Hindi if you
Yeah.
don't voluntarily take it after that. So till then, I had to pass the exam. So then I knew I was well versed with these numbers as well. But then now I've totally forgotten.
You forgot, yeah, you forgot the
Yes.
numbers.
I
Yeah.
think I didn't make a mistake, but yeah, still don't like I shouldn't be the representative of Hindi numbers right now. Especially to someone, who is not a part, like, you don't know about it. So you shouldn't be learning from me. That's all I'm trying to say. I don't want to take that risk. That's too much pressure for me.
Yeah, from these conversations, we could learn new things about our cultures,
Right, right, right.
and
So,
it's
but
interesting.
yes, definitely. Like the thing which you told about, Arabic numbers being taken from India, that's really fascinating.
Exactly, yeah.
Yes.
Like they post on Facebook that post, and actually the comments kept coming. Oh, really?
Okay.
What? Yeah, some people they already knew, and some people like me, it wasn't new for them. Oh, wow.
Yes. Like it was new for me as well. So now I know.
Yeah, yeah. Who knows? Like thousands of years back in the days,
Mhm.
I heard like British people and Indian people, they lived a while in Iraq, and they
Right.
they had like a trade between these countries, you know.
Exactly. So
Yeah,
a
so
lot
we
of
have like
culture.
something in common.
Yes, there's so many parts of our cultures which have mixed over the years, right? Intermingled with each other. So like
Ex-
language is the biggest, I think, example and proof of that.
yeah,
Right.
exactly. Yeah, speaking about the language, I was speaking with my Indian friend, and I
Okay.
told him like we say to the pen, we say qalam. He said,
Okay.
yeah, we said qalam, the same
Kalam.
word.
Okay,
Yeah,
yes, kalam. I know.
the
Right,
same,
that's
right?
right. Yes. Oh my God. So you say kalam in Arabic as well?
In Arabic, yeah, qalam.
That's what I'm saying. There are so many words that we have borrowed from Arabic because Urdu has borrowed many words from Arabic, right?
Yeah,
So, and Urdu and Hindi are very similar.
similar, yeah,
So,
and very
yes.
close,
Oh my
yeah.
God. That's, I'm pretty sure there are many other words then. Yes.
Exactly.
Something
Yeah.
as basic as kalam is, yeah. Oh my God, that's nice.
I used to play this game with my friends, sometimes with my teachers. This game
Okay.
about like give give them like Arabic words and try to explain what it is to they in order to figure out this English word.
Which
Okay.
word it is, right?
Yeah, and some people they watch my videos. I have a YouTube channel, so I post these
Oh,
videos
okay.
on my YouTube channel. So some people they told me that yeah, qalam it's a Hindi word as well.
Right. Oh my God, that's nice.